Hi there, this is a review on mini cicciolo. They were bought in Italy. That's why all that is in Italian. They're KO201, if you know what that means. They're 1.4 grams and they were made in China. They're match crackers. And they're very small compared to like Black Cat. I'll show you the comparison here. They're good when they work, like they're pretty loud for the size when they work, but when they don't work, like sometimes they don't work, like so. Yeah, basically. Oh yeah, they come in a pack of 60. And I got these off my friend for €1. So they're pretty cheap. Like, so all my fireworks. Thanks for watching. Bye.